What happens if two black holes collide? Imagine two objects so powerful that not even light can escape them. Now, imagine those two objects racing toward each other at millions of miles per hour. For millions of years, they orbit one another. Each pass pulls them closer, faster, closer, until finally they collide. The result is one of the most violent events in the universe. Not an explosion of fire, not a burst of sound, but a collision so powerful that it literally shakes the fabric of space and time. This isn't science fiction. Astronomers have already witnessed it, not with telescopes, but by detecting tiny ripples traveling across the universe. These ripples are called gravitational waves, and they confirmed one of Albert Einstein's greatest predictions. But what actually happens when two black holes collide? To answer that, we first need to understand what a black hole really is. A black hole begins its life when an enormous star reaches the end of its existence. After burning through its nuclear fuel, gravity finally wins. The star collapses under its own unimaginable weight. Matter is compressed into one of the densest objects in the universe. Its gravity becomes so intense that beyond a boundary known as the event horizon, nothing can escape. Not gas, not dust, not planets, not even light itself. Black holes are completely dark. We never see the black hole directly. Instead, we observe how it bends light, warps nearby space, and affects everything around it. Now, imagine two of these invisible giants trapped together. Each one is pulling on the other with incredible force. As they orbit, they begin losing energy through gravitational waves. Every orbit becomes slightly smaller. Every second, their speed increases. What once took thousands of years, then centuries, then days, finally becomes seconds. By the last few moments, the two black holes are circling each other at an astonishing fraction of the speed of light. Space itself begins to ripple. The entire universe becomes a silent ocean. And these two giants are creating waves that race outward in every direction. Then, impact. Or at least, what we would call an impact. Unlike two planets crashing together, there are no flames, no shattered debris, no explosion you could hear. Instead, their event horizons merge into one. The two black holes become a single, larger black hole. But something extraordinary happens in the process. A portion of their combined mass simply disappears. It isn't destroyed. According to Einstein's famous equation, mass can become energy. That missing mass is converted into gravitational waves. For a brief instant, the collision releases more power than all the stars in the observable universe combined. Yet almost none of it is visible light. The energy travels through space itself. By the time those waves reach Earth, they have stretched and squeezed our planet by less than the width of a single atomic nucleus. That sounds impossible. Yet, in 2015, scientists using the LIGO observatories measured exactly that. For the first time in history, humanity detected gravitational waves from two black holes colliding over 1 billion light-years away. Einstein had predicted these waves 100 years earlier. The universe had finally confirmed he was right. But what if this happened close to Earth? Fortunately, we don't know of any pair of black holes on a collision course anywhere near our solar system. If such a merger occurred at a safe distance, we might detect the gravitational waves. But Earth would remain unharmed. The danger would come only if the event happened extraordinarily close. something astronomers consider exceedingly unlikely. Still, the collision would reshape the surrounding region of space. Nearby matter would spiral inward. Powerful jets could erupt if gas surrounded the merger, and the newborn black hole would continue its silent existence, even larger than before. Every collision tells astronomers another chapter in the story of the universe. They reveal how black holes grow, how galaxies evolve, and how gravity behaves under the most extreme conditions imaginable. Long before humanity existed, these collisions were already happening. Long after we are gone, they will continue. Somewhere in the darkness of space, two black holes are slowly spiraling toward each other right now. Their final collision may not happen for another million years, or it may happen tomorrow. Either way, when it does, the universe itself will tremble once again. If you enjoyed exploring one of the most extraordinary events in the cosmos, subscribe to SciVortex for more cinematic journeys through space, physics, and the greatest mysteries of the universe. Because every time we think we've reached the limits of what nature can do, the universe reveals something even more incredible.